I'm here today in the parking lot of Home Depot in Newburgh, New York. Check it out. That's like a Home Depot truck. And I'm going to show you how I diagnosed my ignition coil. Now, the symptoms of a bad ignition coil could be like your car's hesitating, you're driving up a hill, it's kind of bucking. Maybe if you're under acceleration up a hill, your check engine light starts to flash, but then when you're going back down the hill, it stops flashing. You'll have maybe a check engine light, loss of power, hesitation, and kind of a rough idle. Listen how my car's idling. So, what that means, in my experience, is that one of these ignition coils is probably bad. Now, the ignition coils provide spark to the spark plugs here. And if one of them's bad, then you're only running on like 5 cylinders. Now, what I'm about to do could be dangerous and you could get electrocuted, so don't ever do it yourself. This is just for entertainment. But check this out. We're going to pull one of the plug wires off the first ignition coil and see what happens. You notice two things. First of all, there's sparks going everywhere. That means that ignition coil is providing spark. Second, the engine starts idling really badly, which means that the spark plug that was getting spark from that coil is now not getting spark at all. So let's try another one. Same thing happened there. So now I'm going to fast forward because I already did these last night and I know which one is bad. I'm going to fast forward down to this one.